students, well, you're in Astronomy 195 and your first project is to get and assemble a telescope. And your telescope is to be a Meade model 216001 Polaris 70 EQ telescope. So this is what we're going to try putting together. There we go, out of the box, out of the one box, not for the other box. This is the telescope itself, the tube. This is the mount, the tripod. Nice thing about this telescope is this is already largely assembled. Ta-da! This is a tray that's going to hold stuff. Very useful. Now, it won't fold back up again. And you have a place to put your eyepieces and such. This is the mount mechanism. It goes on top of the tripod. Screw here. That goes there. That's on there. Never force anything. Okay, notice so far everything in this is been pretty easy to do. Okay, with this, there is now this little dial. We want to loosen this, turn that so it points straight up like that. Then tighten this down pretty firmly. This can actually take a little bit of twisting. So that should be So this should be straight up and pretty firm. It should not flop around. So this is all very stout now. That. Counterweight, it's heavy. This box contains eyepieces and other small accessories. So once this is put together, and once you got your counterweight, this is the next thing you need. Dig down in it and you'll find a metal bar. There we go. Counterweight goes on there. Like that. Now the counterweight is on. Next items are the fine adjustment controls. They look like this. These are very, very useful, make your life a whole lot easier in using your telescope. One thing about telescopes is they are not electronic technology, they're mechanical technology. You have to be careful with them. They're not that because you're going to break them, but because they have little pieces that can fall off and get lost in the grass and so on and so forth. So these have little screws here. Just back them out enough that you can slip them on. Don't take them all the way out because then you might drop the screws. So on the mounting mechanism, there is here a place to attach that and a place to attach this one.